Alex from Showtime. Just wanted to show you the wrap up on the Sprinter that we did here. It was in here. We fixed the lighting. As you can see, this is some of the lighting that we removed. These were just stuck on the sides and on the top. Just kind of looked a little cheesy. So we wanted, the customer had issues with it, wanted to make it look better. So we went ahead and we did these acrylic housings, as you can see, top and sides and on the floor. And one other thing we did was there's two ways to control it. So the unit comes with a remote control which they can have in the back, or for even more fun, you could download an app, and this here is limitless as far as controlling the color, controlling the brightness of it. You can make it strobe pattern, slow moving pattern. It's all limitless. Alright, so one of the other things that we did to this vehicle was we did a Compustar alarm remote starter with drone control. So we get two remote controls which locks, unlocks, and remote starts. We'll give it a few seconds. Okay, so we also did the drone package on here, which gives full control from the drone app. So you could lock, unlock, and remote start. One of the great features having the drone is that you could start it up from virtually anywhere as long as you have cellular coverage. You could also GPS locate it also, so if the vehicle were to get stolen, you can locate the vehicle. If you have any questions about this or any of our other services, give us a call or a text at 773-489-7469. Thanks for watching.